Growing businesses need more than just data. They need the power to extract insights that drive critical decisions and fuel profitability. Acumatica's business intelligence reporting and analytics tools provide financial and operational transparency with a single version of the truth. These tools are native to all Acumatica industry editions, accessible from any device, and deliver the information you need to grow and evolve. Almost every department relies on technology, but few unlock its full potential. Leverage Acumatica Business Intelligence to aggregate data from multiple sources using integrated tools like Microsoft Power BI. Extract actionable insights for strategic and tactical decisions. Present data visually to improve collaboration with stakeholders. Acumatica includes hundreds of standard reports that can be tailored to your business. Set up business events to trigger email alerts, SMS notifications, or tasks when conditions require intervention. Keep an eye on things like data changes without manual monitoring. Generic inquiries provide easy access to data for reports, dashboards, Excel files, or external tools via OData standards. Reorganize, summarize, and analyze data from a different perspective. Users can also rely on generic inquiries to feed data into the role-based dashboards they set up. Dashboards allow you to visualize complex data, and with an easy-to-use customization tool, you can create powerful visuals with little training. Personalize views for employees based on their roles, giving them control over how they view data. To enhance productivity, create custom reports without coding or IT support. Templates for commonly used report types help speed up reporting and analytics further. With Acumatica, create pivot tables, custom reports, and templates without coding or IT support. Use the report designer to generate forms like invoices or pick lists while ensuring data security. Multi-dimensional reporting breaks down data into smaller facets, such as store location or specific projects. Use the Financial Reporting Manager to create reports from data posted in general ledger accounts and sub-accounts. Configure reports to display data for a company, company group, or branch within the general ledger engine. Discover why Acumatica customers love Acumatica's intuitive and robust reporting and analytics tools.
AFF Group is a textile manufacturing and distribution company that does three types of products: vinyls, foam, and laminated goods, and all primarily in the seating segment. So if you sit on a seat, whether it's an office seat, a golf cart, or a car, that's our type of product. We've reduced our waste by 25%. We've also increased our production capability by 30% just by knowing when to manufacture what.
What they've been able to do is build dashboards and reports that we find useful that may be unique to us, whether it's, what to set our safety stock levels at, what to set our service levels at.
I was able to take basically what we call the mess and create a good reporting package for each of our departments to really analyze where we're at, where we're going, and to really strategize our growth.
Our sales grew 21% this past year. The reason for that was because we're selling smarter. Before we used to outwork a problem, but now with Acumatica, we outthink the problems.
Being able to make the right decisions at the right time really does come down to having the right data, and that's what we have with Acumatica.
We are in an old business, an old industry, textile manufacturing, and we're doing it a new way with partners like Acumatica because the digital transformation allows us to stay relevant for this century and beyond.
IOC Construction is a reconstruction general contractor that focuses on multifamily and commercial apartment properties. We're based in Batavia, but it's Chicago. So if you have a 38-story high-rise that needs every floor renovated, we could do that in a very short amount of time. Construction is a messy industry. It's complicated. There's a lot of moving parts. Acumatica has done a really good job of simplifying that data in a clear way for us to be able to make decisions off of it.
Now in Acumatica, you invoice it once, the costs go where they go, the revenue goes where it goes. The intercompany transactions happen in the background without having to do anything. It gave us a lot more visibility into how each company was performing on each of the projects. Acumatica has taken processes that used to take me 2 to 3 days in QuickBooks and turned it into a button click.
Having the data and the tools inside of Acumatica have really allowed us to put the customer first. We're able to give them the best price possible using historical data for our projects. Acumatica is the perfect balance in technology capability and price.
Acumatica Business Intelligence, reporting, and analytics tools are game changers. Contact us to schedule your personalized demonstration today.